session. Okay, my dear students. Now there are few of the sentences which I am going to show you. So you have to answer my questions. Now, my first sentence is he swims well. Now, in this sentence, there is everything which is noun, pronoun, verb, and one more thing is there which we will be learning in this session. Okay, so please tell me first sentence ka first word he. What is it? Yes, it is pronoun. The second one swims. What is swims? Yes, verb. And the next word well. Who will say what is well? Yes, it is a word, but what is it? Yes, it is well. It is an adverb. Yes, it is an adverb. Okay, it is describing the verb. It is describing the verb. How he swims? He swims well. Okay, a second. He ran quickly. Again, he is a pronoun. Ran is a verb. And which is the word that is describing the word ran? Quickly. So again, quickly is an adverb. Okay. Third sentence. James coughed loudly to attract her attention. So, cough is a verb. And how he is doing? He's coughing loudly. So again, loudly is a adverb. Okay. Fourth sentence. He plays the flute beautifully. So what is the verb in this sentence? Correct. Plays. And which word is it describing? Yes, beautifully. It is describing the word beautifully. So it is an adverb. So well, quickly, loudly, beautifully, all these words are describing the verb, describing the action word, that is verb. So these words are called as adverbs. Okay, my dear students. Again, he ate the chocolate cake greedily. Now, who will answer my question now? Yes, ate is a verb, correct. An adverb, correct. Greedily is an adverb. Very good. Now, what's our topic for today now? Can anyone guess? Yes, today's topic is adverb. These are all adverbs which you can see on a screen. Extent, outside, quietly, eagerly, weakly, annually, peacefully, cheerfully, stylish, away, loyally, sloppily, recklessly, accidentally, lazily, never, ruthlessly, rather, order, somewhere, grimly, briskly, home, worriedly, adoringly, intentionally, competitively, now, since, awkwardly, quiet, beautifully, remorsefully, quizzically, carefully, extremely, urgently, unevenly, abroad, upstairs, inside, today. These all are the words which are adverbs. Okay, my dear students. Remember these words. Whenever these words come, means those are adverbs, which is describing the verb. Now, let us see the definition for adverb. Adverb modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They can add to or change the meaning of a word. The great way to spot adverbs is to look for words that end in ly, that is ly, as we say, eagerly, quickly, slowly, this word. Although that's not universally true, it's a good place to start. Also, given their functions, these fundamental elements of the English language are usually placed right before or after the verb in the sentence. Let's take a look at a few examples over here. Okay, my dear children. The beautifully painted landscape is a wonderful addition to my living room decor. So, what will be the adverb in this? Yes, first you will identify the verb, and after that, automatically it will come to you that which is an adverb. Okay. Yes, who will tell me? Correct. Beautifully. How you recognized? Correct. By the word ly. Lee. Yes. Next. Grandma's crystal vase is a priceless antique that must be handled delicately. Who will answer my question? Correct. Delicately. Her outfit showcased her delightfully quirky personality. Yes, Raj? Who will answer? Correct. It is delightfully. The teacher firmly disciplined the students for their misbehavior. Yes, who will answer? Yes, you can write in a chat box also. Yes, firmly. Very good. So these are the words which are describing the verb, and those are called as adverbs. Okay. Let's take a look for a few examples. She lightly dusted the brownies with a layer of powdered sugar before serving. Yes, correct. It is lightly. She truthfully answered the police officer's question. Which is the adverb in this? Correct. Truthfully. Quickly finish the grocery shopping so we can get to the party in time. Quickly. Very good. The dancer performed gracefully on the stage. Yes, who will answer my question? Correct. It is gracefully. Very good, my dear children. Okay. Now these are also some of the adverbs. Adverb of emphasize. These are called as absolutely, bitterly, certainly, clearly, completely, definitely, deadly, dreadfully, enormously, exactly, extremely, fairly, highly, incredibly, naturally, obviously, perfectly, positively, really, ridiculously, simply, surprisingly, seriously, totally, and undoubtedly. These are all adverbs on which we are emphasized. So, defining an adverb is, what is an adverb? Well, first, it's important to understand the word adverb. Work closely with, starting with verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. A verb is a word that expresses action or a state of being, that is, jump, run, swim, skip, fish, and talk. An adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun, that is, pretty, happy, silly, sunny. And a noun is a person, place, or thing in its simplest definition, that is, girl, dog, or mom. Once you see a few examples, it will be easy to see how adverbs function in a sentence. To simplify things, they explain the action. Again, I'm repeating. Once you see a few examples, it will be easy to see how adverbs function in a sentence. To simplify things, they explain the action. Here are some examples of adverbs modifying verbs. Here are some examples of adverbs. Those are modifying verbs. He runs quickly. Here you can ask the question how. How he runs? He runs quickly. Yes, my dear students. She walks slowly. How does she walks? She walks slowly. You can ask the question as how. He is happily chattering over there in the corner. How is chattering over there in the corner? How? You can ask the question. Simple. You will get the answer. How? Happily he is chattering. Yes. Adverbs can also modify adjectives or other adverbs. They provide more information about that other descriptive word. He runs very quickly. In this sentence, the adverb very is describing the adverb quickly. Again, I'm repeating. In this sentence, the adverb very is describing the adverb very quickly. Can be used as an adverb phrase. Okay, this is our adverb. It is very quickly. An incredibly pretty girl sat down next to me. In this sentence, the adverb incredibly is describing the adjective pretty. Yes, it is incredibly pretty. So, identifying the adverb is so. You can tell whether or not a word is an adverb by considering its functions in the sentence. If it is a describing verb, adjective, or other adverb, it's an adverb. So you can tell whether or not a word is an adverb by considering its function in the sentence. If it is describing a verb, adjective, or other adverb, it's an adverb. Let's talk a little bit more about that. About that means word ly ending with. You will see that many of the adverbs end in ly form. While that's a popular way to identify these modifiers, it's important to remember that isn't universally true. Don't forget, my dear students, adverbs such as always, often, sometimes, seldom, and never. You have also got conjunctive adverbs such as also, besides, meanwhile, and likewise. Okay, my dear students, again we'll repeat this sentence. Let's talk a little bit more about that ly ending. You will see that many of the adverbs ending in ly, while that's a popular way to identify these modifiers. It's important to remember that isn't universally true. Don't forget adverbs such as always, often, sometimes, seldom, and never. You have also got conjunctive adverbs such as also, besides, meanwhile, and likewise. Remember all these points, my dear students. Okay, that's why I'm repeating twice a time. But since the ly form is very common, let's keep the party going with a few more examples. As you know, till now you must have understood that ly form whenever in the sentence ly the word comes, that is an adverb. Okay, now let us move to the example. The dog messily ate his dinner. Who will answer my question now? Correct, messily. I happily handed in my test. Yes, which will be the adverb? Correct, happily. She quickly washed the dishes. Very good, quickly. I hope you are getting it. You can tell that these words are adverbs because they are describing the verb in the sentence and they end in ly, means ly form. Yes, many high frequency words are also adverbs. For example, like very, much, more, and many. All be adverbs. Let us see in this examples. The puppy's behavior was very bad. So which will be the adverb in this? You can see the above sentence. Many high frequency words are also adverbs. Example, very, much, more, and many can all be adverbs. Yes, in the first sentence, what will be the adverb then? Correct, very. The much smarter boy won the quiz competition. Yes, correct, much. I so want to go to that consent party. Yes, correct. Okay, next. There are some of the self-learning skills. You can write it in your notebook or you can remove a screenshot of it and you can go through these links. There are many type of the conjunctive adverbs and the list of 100 adverbs which you can see on your own also. So this is a link for you to study more about adverbs. Okay, my dear children, you can remove a screenshot or you can write it in your notebook also. Okay, shall we move further? Okay. Now, there are some of the adjectives which are also adverbs. Slow is an adjective, but when we turn it into the adverb, it becomes slowly. Again, ly. Cold, coldly. Happy, happily. Wise, wisely. Careful, carefully. Clear, clearly. Dangerous, dangerously. Bright, brightly. Keep this in mind. When it is an adjective, it is slow, but when it turns into adverb, it becomes slowly. Okay, there are some of the adverbs that have same form of adjectives. Like if it is an adjective sentence, it is he aims very high. When it turns into adverb, it becomes a high pillar. The play takes long, a long play. He worked hard, a hard sum. She worked late, a late arrival. These are some of the examples of it. A friendly face, a silly remark, costly flight, cowardly soldier, weekly newspaper, a lonely road, leisurely walk, an elderly man, an ugly face, a monthly meeting. Adverbs are not the only ones which form words ending with ly. There are some of the adjective also end in the same way. Huh. Adjectives, there are some of the adjectives also end in the same way. Okay. There are some of the common ending in ly. are both adjectives and adverbs as well. Hourly, early, daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay. Now, recognizing adjectives and adverbs. There are many words have both an adjective and adverb form. Keep this in mind. Adjective is happy kids. When it turns to adverb, it becomes playing happily. Here, happy is an adjective, and when it becomes adverb, it is happily. Smooth rock, running smoothly. Good night, eating well. Efficient workers, working efficiently. Casual dress, dressing casually. Quick meeting, talking quickly. Hopeful children, waiting hopefully. Real butter, really hot. Now, in this, you must have identified the differences between the adjectives and adverbs. Yes, when it comes to adverb, it becomes leeword form, ly. There are some of the types of adverbs also. We are not going to learn it now, today. We will be learning it later on, okay, when you will be going in for the standards. Types of adverbs are adverb of manner, the manner in which something is done. You can ask the question how. The time at which something happens, you can ask the question when. The frequency with which something happens, you can ask the question how often. The place at which or the direction in which something happens, you can ask the question where. The extent or degree to which something happens, you can ask the question how much. This way of looking at adverbs will therefore give us adverb of manner, time, frequency, place, or direction, and of degree. Okay. There are some of the errors in adverbs and adjectives. Since adverbs and adjectives both modify other words, people often mistakenly use an adjective when they should use an adverb and vice versa. For example, the following sentences is incorrect. He behaved very bad on the field trip. This is incorrect because bad is an adjective being used to describe behaved, which is verb. It should read as he behaved very badly on the field trip. On the other hand, this would be correct. His behavior was bad on the field trip. You can say it like this also. Yes, the adjective bad is correctly describing the noun behavior. Good and well. Even these are also trigger to adverbs. The words good and well are common triggers to the adverb. As I said, which is adjective confusion. It's important to remember this. Good is an adjective that modifies noun. Example, that good boy means N means it is noun. Just gave his little sister a hug. Well is an adverb that modifies verbs or even adjective. He listens. Now we means verb. Well. That well educated. Now it is adjective. Adj means adjective. Woman went on to marry a celebrity. Now there is an assignment plus adverb practice for you. Okay. Now everyone will remove your notebooks and you will write this assignment. Okay, along with that, I have given you the explanation also. You can write it, but after the session gets over, now you will be able to make your own sentences by framing the adverb in the sentence. Jim will miss the wonderfully friendly people at work. Now, Wonderfully is the adverb which modifies the adjective friendly, which modifies the noun people. Okay, write it down, my dear students. I will be waiting for you. Yes. Okay. Shall we move to the second sentence now? Okay. Joe walked slowly and steadily up the hill. Again, there's an explanation over there. Slowly and steadily are both adverbs. These are describing the way Joe walked. How did Joe walk? Slowly and steadily. You can ask the question, how? Yes, write it down. Yes, you can write it down in your notebooks, in your English notebooks especially. Okay, should I move further to the next slide? Okay, okay, right. You can write it. Okay. Becky ate quickly and then felt sick. What will be the explanation in this? Correct. Quickly is an adverb here, which is modifying the verb ate. Okay. Yes, you can write it down. Yes, I'll be waiting for you. Right. Jill is very late. Very is an adverb modifying late, which is an adjective modifying Jill. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood today's session. Yes, again, Carl wanted to see the great big house. Great is an adverb modifying big, which is an adjective modifying the noun house. Okay, have you written the sentences along with the explanation? Okay, if you are not able to write, again you can go through the video and you can write it down in your notebooks. Okay, my dear children. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Stop now. Okay, thank you, my dear students. I hope you have understood each and every sentence of the presentation and how to find out adverbs. If you have understood, the last slide of mine was regarding assignment. You can write the assignment, and after that, you can form your own sentences, not a big sentences, but small, small sentences like Ram ran slowly, he ate quickly. All these small small sentences you can make on your own, and you can find out the noun, pronoun, adverb and verb in that sentences. Even you can add the adjective also in that, and you can highlight on that this is noun, this is pronoun, this is an adjective, this is a verb, and this is an adverb in this. Okay, my dear children. Okay. Thank you, my dear children.